Dear student friend Falber, in today's lecture, you people will learn about reference and bibliography. How you can use reference and bibliography very easily. For example, you don't have time, but you want to use reference without spending too much time. So how we use it? Let's learn. First of all, open Word. You open Word and you want to use reference. You will write over here reference. Okay, we write it down over here. And after this, what you need to do, you first of all share window. You have to write reference first of all. So just like that, you click over there, and after that you want to write reference, but you don't want to spend so much time. So just write one over here. Go to Google. For example, I'm interested in NLP and I want to have research on NLP. So what I'm going to do? First of all, I will come to Google Scholar. I come to Google Scholar like this. Just we move back. So right here, any topic you want to get. So I come to Google Scholar first of all. So once I come over here, I write NLP teaching model. So here are number of articles I want to use as a reference. So how I'm going to use it as a reference? For that I need to write in APS style. So we have a lot of styles of writing. We can either write an APS style or we can write a Chicago style. So there are several styles. We can use Chicago, MLA style, APS style, but I am interested to write in APS style. Since my university demands, I have to write in APS style, and mostly university in Pakistan they demand APS style. So how we are going to write this APS style? There are two methods. You write it manually and it will take a lot of time. Make sure once you write it manually, it will be taking a lot of time. So I tell you another method which is easy one. So don't worry at all, it's pretty easy. So what we are going to do, we are just going to open articles, and after that you will click over here. So here you see, if you see over here, you can see that here is a point like that, double quotation marks. Just click on it. So once you click on double quotation marks, there are number of styles. You can simply copy. So what you need to do, you just copy it, and after copy you just copy, and after that you can paste. Simply paste it over here. You can either paste with your mobile or with your mouse, or you can paste with Ctrl+V. So you can see I have pasted over here and it has appeared. I have written 1. Now I want to write the second. So how I'm going to write second? Just open it. I will just cross it, and after that I want to write from this. So I click on the same double quotation marks, and there is APS style. Need to copy. I can either Ctrl+C, and then I come to Word and I just paste Ctrl+V. I have pasted the second one, and now I have come on third one. So just come back, I go back, and after that I want to write validations of NLP scales and relationship in teacher success in high school. So what I am going to do, I just copy I just control plus C, and after that I come over here and I control plus V, and then I move on 4. I want to write some more, and what I do, I just cross it and I come to this one's implementing neuro-linguistic programming in changing students' behavior, research done at Islamic University. So here is the research on Islamic University. Just I click on it, and after that I get it copied, and after that I simply place it over here. So that's how you people can easily just copy and then paste, and after that you can write as much as you can. So whatever you think that it is related to my research, you can just read it, and after reading this article, get its link and just paste it. It's not very difficult, so it's easy job and you can do it easily. So what we are going to do, we can do it easily, we can write it easily, we can do it easily, and not very difficult. I hope you got the point, and you can now do it easily. Stay blessed and have a nice time.